Day 34 of learning to duck call. And today, before we get started, I wanted to give a huge shout out to my brother-in-law. As you can see, I'm still at his cabin, and this morning I harvested my first deer. So if you're into that kind of thing, you can go over to my Instagram page, Upland Underdog, and check out what I shot today. But for now, let's start duck calling. Very loud. So I think that you might be able to hear exactly what I'm up to. I don't love all of those, so let me try one or two more times. That was a lot. So that hopefully you hopefully can hear the volume when I do that differently than if I'm wearing the microphone. If it's good, great. If it's bad, sorry, but that's what it sounds like without the microphone on. So that was definitely loud. I don't know if the microphone was better or worse this way, so let me know in the comments, and I might try it going forward not to do all of my calls with that microphone on, but it was absolutely echoey and loud here, so I know it's working. The other thing is, I feel like my cadence wasn't great, which is totally understandable. I'm still needing to work on it, but I feel like it's even fallen off a couple of days of not doing it as much. So I might start incorporating that into some of the videos, but that was me on day 34. Let me know what you all think of it, and if there's anything I can do to make it a little bit better. See you back tomorrow for day 35, back at home.